Here we are, William at 7 weeks. Just now starting to grab at things. Pay attention to his toys. Oh, you got him. Good job. Yay. The keys again. Good. Good. How about your feet? Can you get your little bells over here? Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Yeah. Good job. I see you. I see you. Yeah, you're getting that one no problem. Yeah, I'll just backhand that one. Yeah, that's no problem for me. Can you smile? Can you smile at me like you do for Mimi? Can you smile? Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, little big guy. Look at that big guy. Okay, well, I can't do it like Mimi does, I guess. But I was trying to get you to smile. Can I get a little smile? A little smile? Hello, I love you. There's a smile. There's a smile for my baby. Yay. Yeah, look at him go. Yeah? Really? I agree with you. You're right. Go. Go. Get those keys? Yeah, you can get those. Yeah, no sweat. Oh, yeah, I got him again. Good job. Getting a little sleepy? Yeah, look at you go. I know you're always staring at this teddy bear over here. Yeah? I see you. I see you up here. Okay. Well, say goodbye. Coming to you from the land of 7-week-old William. Mwah.